Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? So this is live price prediction of Pancakeswap coin. My friend, after a very long time, all crypto market is wake up, and especially Pancakeswap is give you a profit very good, and this time very good coin, my brother, for investment. So therefore I will tell you, and remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my friend, please watch this full video, and after that you take a decision to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time, as this coin is good for investment or not, my brother. So this time, as you can see, my brother, last 7 days chart is on the screen, and the last 7 days, as you can see, my brother, the trade occur will be positive just and only in the last 7 days. It's mean, especially in this month, my friend, result is on the screen, and absolutely this is massive trade occur, very great jumps, my friends, but absolutely they take a short fails for a jump sometime, but after that they again starting moving upward like rockets. So definitely it's a very good coin, and one of the fastest coin, very fastest coin, my brother, in the crypto market. Pancake is absolutely moving upward in upcoming time, because this is the start of month. In the start of month, every cryptocurrency fails down, but absolutely, as you can see, my brother, this is the reality to Pancake, one of the unique coin to them moving upward just and only, my brother, in the start of month. So I hope in the next week of this month, they will change occur very positive, and they will give you a very good profit at the end of month. So Pancakeswap holder, please hold it, don't sell it, and if you have any plan to invest in a Pancake, I think this time is going to be very good, because I hope at the end of month they will give you very good profit now. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.